Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today I'm making a cauliflower fettuccine Alfredo. And what that means is I'm making the Alfredo sauce dairy-free. It's completely vegan, no milk in it, no cream, no butter. It's made with vegetables and pasta and nutritional yeast, which is a deactivated yeast. It tastes kind of cheesy. A lot of vegetarians and vegans use it as a substitute for Parmesan cheese. You can put it on popcorn. It's a protein. I think it's one serving of it has 8 grams of protein. So a tablespoon and a half of it has 8 grams of protein. So it's sort of like a protein replacement for people who don't eat meat. So we're going to get started. I have the water boiling to cook the fettuccine, just making regular fettuccine, and then we're going to get started. I am going to start with, I have about a medium onion that I've cut into slices, and a kind of a small cauliflower, probably less than a pound, maybe a little over a pound, maybe around a pound. We're going to put that in there, and then I have a whole bunch of garlic. Probably 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. We're going to cook this on medium-high until it starts to steaming, getting really hot, and then we're going to turn it down to medium. We're going to cover it, and then we're going to cook it for about 5, 6, 7 minutes until the vegetables get soft. Okay, I'm adding about 2 cups of water. This has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. So now we're going to actually let this sort of boil, and we're going to actually use some of that liquid to make some of the Alfredo sauce. Stay tuned. I think you're going to like this. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to drain this cauliflower mixture into a bowl. Into a strainer, obviously, and then I'm going to let it drain, the liquid drain into a bowl so I can save the liquid because we might need some of that. Okay, you can see my fettuccine is draining. I cooked that, it was about 10 minutes. It said 9 to 11 for al dente. I cooked it for 10. It was 9, it wasn't quite done. Let me cook it to your liking, right? About a quarter of a cup of that liquid. See if we need more. I have a quarter of a cup of nutritional yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. Tiny bit more liquid. Now, if you know someone who's vegan, or if you know someone who's trying to cut back on their dairy products, because this, fettuccine normally has a whole bunch of butter, a whole bunch of cream. Someone who is just trying to cut back a little bit, they would like this. It's so smooth. It tastes cheesy because of that yeast. That's good. Here's our fettuccine, steaming hot. And here is our creamy Alfredo sauce. This is 12 ounces of fettuccine. Okay, a little bit of parsley on top. That's kind of a lot of parsley. Cauliflower fettuccine Alfredo. Looks like fettuccine Alfredo. Now, a lot of times when I make dishes that are something that you normally make a different way, I'm not saying this tastes exactly the same. I'm saying it's a nice alternative. It's good. It's garlicky. It tastes cheesy because of the yeast. Put some more cheese on there if you prefer a little bit more cheese. Give this a try. If you're trying to cut back on your animal products, if you're having a friend over who already has done that, let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching. You take care now. So good. Do you know someone who's trying to cut back on their dairy? Maybe you know someone who's glucose intolerant, lactose intolerant, and really misses fettuccine Alfredo. Give it a shot. Let me know what you like, if you like it. I think it's good. It's a great alternative. It isn't the same. I mean, you know, there's nothing like butter and cream that make a sauce, right? And Parmesan cheese, but it's a great alternative. It tastes really good. And it's perfect for people who are trying to cut back. If you started a new lifestyle where you're not eating any animal products, give it a shot.